Good morning, jr4. In this video, I will explain lesson 1 in concept 2. Okay? Senses at work. Okay. You have to know that humans can listen to music or listen anything through the organ of hearing. Through the organ of hearing. All of us can listen with our ears. So the organ of hearing is the ears. The organ of hearing is ears. So we can hear with our ears. We can hear with our ears. Okay. Owls have senses of hearing and sight. Okay? Sense of hearing and sight. Hear and see. Why? To be able to find the prey in the dark. To be able to find or to catch the prey at night or in the dark. Okay? After that, dogs have very sharp senses of hearing and smell. So they are used in guarding, like the bodyguards. Okay? They are used in guarding. So they have very sharp senses of hearing and smell. Hearing to listen or to hear very well, okay, and smell, okay. After that, we have another example which is called the Egyptian mongoose. Egyptian mongoose is an animal, okay, make sound, and this sound spread or transfer information to other mongoose, Why? To move from one place to another place to search for food, okay. So, the Egyptian mongoose makes sound, okay, to tell the nearby animal or to tell another animal to search for food, okay? At this lesson, we will talk about dolphins. We will talk about the dolphins. And you have to know that hearing is one of the most important senses for all of us, okay? By hearing, we can collect information about the world around us. So hearing is one of the most important senses for us because it allows us to collect information about the world around us. So you have to know that dolphins, especially dolphins, have super senses that help them to survive and search for food and protect themselves under the water. So you have to know, dolphins use the super senses to search for food, to survive, to protect themselves underwater or in the water. The sharpest sense that the dolphins have is the sense of hearing. The most sharp sense that dolphins have is the sense of hearing. So they can hear all types of sounds, all sound tones, okay? The sharpest sense that dolphins have is the sense of hearing, so they can hear all types of sound or all sound tones. How come this? Dolphins use property called echolocation. Dolphins use property which is called echolocation. And echolocation depends on echo. Why? To detect. What is the meaning of detect? To know the location of living organisms and objects in the water. So it can easily catch the prey underwater. Okay? Look at this picture, you will know when the dolphins make a sound, it will transfer through the water, and when hit object, it will return back or reflect back again in the form of echo. So what is the meaning of echo? Echo is the reflection of sound waves back from a solid surface to its source. And what is the source? The source is the dolphin. It returns back again to the dolphin. So by this way, it can catch the prey. Okay? Now I will explain how dolphins use echolocation property. The first one, the sound produced by dolphins travel in the water in the form of sound waves. So when the dolphin makes a sound, it will be in the form of sound waves. These sound waves will travel through water, and when it hits objects, when these sound waves hit the object, they return back to the dolphin again, but in the form of echo. In the form of echo. So echo is the reflection or the returning back of the sound wave from solid surface to its source. Okay, and they said the source of this echo is the dolphin. Okay? Number 3, echo helps dolphins to locate their prey. So when I ask you put right or wrong, number 1, smell is one of the super senses of dolphins. Smell is one of the super senses of dolphins? No. Hearing. Number 2, echo helps dolphins to locate their prey. Yes. Okay, jr4. After that, I will talk about some animals, okay, and they will give you examples about animals and the super senses for them. The first one, fox. All of you know the fox. Fox can avoid danger by hearing and sight. When the fox feels enemy, okay, it will run away from its enemies, okay, when seeing or hearing them. So fox uses its eyes and ears to run away from its enemies when seeing or hearing them. Okay, number 2, chameleon. Panther chameleon. Search for food by taste and sight. By taste and sight. So you have to know that chameleon uses its eyes and tongue to see and taste the food. Okay? After that, dog. Dog has to recognize friends by smell and sight. Smell and using the senses of smell and sight. By smelling human scent. Okay? The last example, monkey. Monkey can identify things, can know the things by using the 5 senses. By using the 5 senses. Why? To differentiate between different things. To differentiate between different things. It eats or rests its face. So you have to know that monkey use the 5 senses to differentiate between different things. Okay, jr4? Bye-bye.